Hi everyone, this is Lady Vintage Bags here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. And today we're doing my very first Hermes unboxing. This is the very first Hermes product I've ever bought in my life, so I'm really excited about it. And I'd like to do a special mention to my very first Chanel clothing piece too. So this is a Chanel jacket that I unboxed on my channel, so I'll link the unboxing of it up above. And I'm really happy with this jacket, the look and the fit, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video too. So let's get straight into this unboxing, shall we? So I'll just tell you a little bit about my purchase story. So this is from an eBay seller from France, and I had actually seen this bag for the first time last year from a Japanese eBay seller, and at the time I didn't jump on it. I kind of thought about it and someone else bought it. And so earlier this year I thought, oh, I really wish I had bought that bag. I think it was really suitable for me and the way I like to use bags. So I finally found it again from a French seller. So I jumped on it and I bought it. So let's get into it. Got my pair of scissors right here. So I do want to be careful when cutting this open because I don't want to damage what's inside. Now in terms of shipping times, so this took maybe 5-6 weeks to get to me. So the seller started shipping it on the 22nd of February and it left France on the 28th of February, so it took about a week to get from the seller to the French airport. And then it took from the 28th of February to about the 31st of March to reach Australia. And then it reached me today on the 1st of April. So from the 22nd to the 1st of April is how long it took from the seller to reach the buyer when being shipped from France to Australia. Okay, so what did I buy, guys? Let's take a look. What did I choose to be my very first ever Hermes piece? Now, to my knowledge, I wasn't getting a dust bag. I was just getting the product I bought. So I see some sort of orange dust bag here. So maybe the seller just gave me some... Oh no, it's just tissue paper. No dust bag. Okay. So here we go, guys. Okay. So here it is. So this is the very first time I'm seeing it myself. Wow, this leather is really nice. To be honest, it's less scratched up than I was expecting. It looked really scratched up in the pictures. So, look, I don't know a lot about Hermes leathers, but I believe this is a box calf leather. So, introducing my very first Hermes piece. So this is called the Sac Sandrine, or the Sandrine handbag. So this was from 1976, and as many bags are named after people, this is named after someone as well. So I'll show you what it is that drew me towards the bag. So it's actually this clasp. So as you can see here, there is a hook. So this bag can be worn two ways. It can be worn as a longer strap. This is not a very long strap. It's not even a crossbody strap, but it can be worn as a longer strap. Now I don't know how to open this clasp. Okay, you just squeeze the two ends here and that opens up like so. Oh, let me try that again. So just squeezing the two ends, it opens up like so. So you can undo that. You can loop it through the ring. No, I think I've done that the wrong way. Loop it through from the outside in. And then you can hook it here. I'm not doing a very good job of that. And now you have a double strap bag. This is what drew me to the bag. It's this multifunctionality. So kind of similar to the functionality on the Constance, except it's actually a clasp. And my idea was to get a strap extender so that I could make this a crossbody bag, because as you guys may know if you've watched my other videos, I am a crossbody girl. I'm not really a just wearing things on my shoulder kind of girl, because I do have back problems. I feel more comfortable when I go crossbody than just on one shoulder, because I tend to do any of you guys do that where you tend to lean on one side and then you have some pain? If any of you have any shoulder or back pain, hit the like button, because pain is something that's, particularly back pain, is something that's hard to describe, particularly if you have experienced nerve pain. Hit that like button, because it's really hard to describe to anyone unless you've experienced it yourself. So now let's take a look at this clasp here. So as you can see here, it's like this leather strap that goes through this ring, if you can see that there. And this swivels like so. Now let's open the bag up. So, oh my gosh guys, this is so buttery soft. Wow, I have never felt leather like this before. I've never felt Hermes leather in my life. This is my very first time. I'm going to smell it for you guys. Okay, Hermes leather smells beautiful. This is so much nicer than I was expecting. Guys, I'm really happy with it, because I was expecting worse condition. So this has actually impressed me. Okay, so opening up to this beautiful soft leather, guys. It's just one compartment here. So I have actually found that I like one big compartment rather than lots of little compartments. So particularly for slim bags, because I carry bigger items such as full-size wallets and stuff. So for me, a bigger compartment suits what I carry more so than very compartmentalized bags. I'm not a minimalist with my handbag items. So let's look at the heat stamp. So we see there Hermes Paris. Now you can see that some previous owner had their initials stamped into the bag there. I don't mind that. There's a really slim compartment there, and there's no back pocket. I know that's a deal breaker for some of you people out there. Doesn't bother me. Okay guys, now let's just take a look at the side profile. That glazing is so beautiful. This bag is from 1976. I have bags from LV with cracked glazing everywhere. And this bag is even older, and the glazing is so beautiful. Okay guys, so let's take a look at some mod shots. So this is the bag on its longest strap setting. So here it is as a shoulder bag. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's such a beautiful bag. It's so much more beautiful in person than I was expecting. The beauty's probably not coming through the camera. It's probably just looking quite ordinary, but it's definitely much more striking in person. Okay, now so let's see what it looks like crossbody. Okay, so you can see it's very short crossbody. Here's my bust. It's right under my bust. So this is probably like the same type of length as my Chanel. So this is my Chanel single flap here. So some of you guys may already be familiar with this bag because I've done a review on this bag, and I've also done a look for less video on this bag. So if you'd like to see the review video, I'll link it above for you. This is a beautiful, gorgeous Chanel single flap lambskin bag as well, and it's got this curved chevron shape with the vintage 24K plated hardware. Beautiful bag. Watch the review, you guys would love it. You might even be able to find a good deal on it. Okay, so just to give you an idea, if you are already familiar with this Chanel bag, this Hermes bag sits at about the same length of the strap. So for me, this is really too short to be wearing crossbody, even though it can be done. Okay, so let's see what it looks like if I double the strap up. So I'm just going to unhook it here. Going to loop that through. going to attach it to the ring, pull the strap. Okay, so this is what it looks like as a shoulder bag. So as you can see here. So guys, let's talk prices. So how much did I pay for this bag? I paid less than 2,000 Australian dollars for it. So this bag was 1,250 euro, plus I had to pay 30 euro for shipping. So for items that are over $1,000 on eBay that are from other countries, they don't collect GST on. They're only collected on low value imports, which are less than 1,000 Australian dollars. So my 3% voucher worked out to be 37 euro 50 off. So that kind of took away the shipping cost because that was 30 euro. So I was really happy with that. So it worked out to be about 1,900 and something Australian dollars. So less than 2,000 Australian dollars, guys, for my very first Hermes bag. What do you think? Comment down below if you think I paid a good price. I'm really happy with the price that I paid. And now that I've felt the leather for myself, especially the leather on the inside, it's just so luxurious and soft, and it just smells so beautiful. I've never smelled leather like this before. Hermes is definitely something else. And just in case any of you are wondering, this leather tab here is bent. This is actually a stiff leather tab. This is not a soft leather tab. So this is not one... This has been constructed really cleverly so that it goes in and it loops in. So this is not a soft thing that's going to tear. This is actually really stiff. It feels like there's some cardboard or something hard inside. So it's beautiful design from Hermes. So thanks for coming along with me for this unboxing, guys. I'm really happy with my new bag. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye.